What's up, guys? This is going to be my first time weighing myself since I've started my diet. Now, I've started my diet a week early because me and the guy that's coaching me has decided to get it going as quick as possible. So I don't even know what I weigh yet. So the only thing I have now that could weigh myself down is the earphones around my neck. So and the iPod in my hand. So at the moment, after waking up, 92.3 kilo. So, yeah, it's a bit heavier than I thought I would wake up to. But anyway, however, uh, I'll show you what I look like now. This is just basically me at the moment. There's no homo. It's just basically educational purposes around basically what I'm looking at now until the 3rd of May, I think it is. I just have to look back up on what it is, what the date of the show is. So yeah, still a bit fat. This is 100% educational purposes. Obviously it's shit, right? Like obviously I still have to go. Still that allows just legs are okay. Legs are good in my opinion. Obviously you can't see it. Still have that, I don't know what it is, I still have to learn what that is. The side muscle of the quad. So yeah, I'm not too mad about what I've put on since the last show. Obviously I'm happy with what I put on. Obviously this has to come, put more